Welcome everyone, this is Bidaya team. Now we will take a quick overview over the theme cPanel. Now you can find in the main general options that you can use in the theme, like the option of disable and enable the responsive design using the sticky sidebars, layout style, and the position of the sidebar, time format, enable notifications on theme updates, and use the font awesome. And you can also add the tracking code of Google Analytics or others tracking code. We will copy and paste it here or here or here. Let's check together the home scroller. You actually can add 3 types of scrollers: top new scroller options and middle new scroller options, and the last one in the bottom, new scroller options. The top news, you can find it at the top. The middle one, you will find it, and if you use the home builder, and the last one you will find it in the footer. Let's check it together. This is the top one, and this is the bottom one. Now let's see some options of each of them. You can add your favorite title. You can here to enable it and disable it, and you can specify here the number of posts in newsletter scroller, and you can choose how to display it with the latest post, category tag, selective posts, and selective page. Also, you can add or choose how to order them, even random, latest post, last modified, post name, and so on for the other 2 types of a scroller. Now let's check the header. You can find the header option like header scan, dark or light, or you can add header ads, disable and enable it to add custom code, or you can upload your preferred image. And here you can add the responsive Google AdSense ID. You can choose what suits you. For the footer, somehow it will be the same as header. You can enable or disable it. You can choose the best layout for the footer widgets, and you can find some options to disable go top button, and you can enable footer menu. You can add the copyright text, and also you can add footer ads, custom code, or upload your image, and to use a responsive Google AdSense. Let's check the navigation. We have here 2 types of navigation: a primary menu option and toolbar option. The primary menu, you can choose to be dark or light or sticky navigation. You can use the toolbar option to specify the format of the date and time, and choose the scan of it, transparent, dark, light. And you can also find some options like disable or enable, show date, so top search, top social links, custom menu, breaking news. And here in the breaking news, you can add your own title of breaking news. Now for the logo, let's take a quick look. You can choose either to be a logo text or a custom image. For the logo text, add the title and add the tagline text. You can choose the position of the logo to be center. You can upload your own logo if you choose to be a custom image, and you can also set the standard logo width for Retina logo. For the logo typography, if you choose the display site title, the text logo, here you can use the logo typography to your preferred font for menu, and you can find options here, and you can also choose a specific color for the tagline. Here for the fave icon, you can custom one, and you can custom another one for the Apple iPhone, Retina, Apple iPad icon, and Apple iPad Retina. Now let's see the layouts. In Magic Theme, you actually can find about 10 layouts. Most of them, all of them have the same options to hide author, hide reviews, hide date, or show it, of course. Category name, comments count, format icon, read more, excerpt, and here for excerpt we add the option of deciding how long the excerpt will be. Now let's see the category. You can display the category in a specific layout. Choose your best. You can find some options for the category here, and here the category featured posts. Check to enable or disable the option that suits your needs. Singular, that will be the post template option. Here you can choose how the posts will be displayed, and here is some options for the post, enable lightbox, show meta, show author, date, Twitter, comments, and here is the option for the related posts, to the number of related posts and related query type. Also, you can find the page option here in the same cPanel page. You can choose some of the options here to show breadcrumbs on page, or show page title, and display sharing, where the sharing will be, and for comments. Here is the post sharing option. You can choose the social media sharing profiles or pages like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google, and so on. Let's see the featured posts. Actually, when you activate the featured posts, it will display in the website like this one. In this area, here is the featured posts. So you can find some options for the featured posts to enable, disable, and show the category, date, author, comment number, and to display by, choose what suits you. Let's move to the page template. Here you can choose how the page template will be displayed. Choose the best for you. For the social sharing links, just add the link of the Facebook URL, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, YouTube, Vimeo, Skype. You can find plenty of them. Now for the custom typography, you can find here actually a lot of options here. So let's check the character sets. You will find option for each one of them. Here for the character sets like Latin extended, Greek, Vietnamese. For the general, choose the general typography for the website like font color, font size, some of links color, link decoration, and you can check the rest of the options. Actually here it's so easy to get to them. For the theme styling, here you can choose your theme color from affixed colors, or you can choose your best color. You can adjust it as much as you need from this color palette. For the background option, you have two options to choose a pattern from affixed patterns, or you can custom your background, and you can find the full screen option here too. So here is the custom CSS. You can add as much as you need from CSS codes. Also the same for the custom JavaScript. For the Twitter API, this will be used for the widget of social counter. And here for the backup and restore, I recommend you every time you made some changes or you update your theme to download the backup file, and then you can restore it and import. You can restore it and import it every time you update. And thank you guys, and I hope that will help. Goodbye.